Hi, welcome to Retail Ice reporting for Foot Solutions. I'm going to go through the instructions that all the Retail Ice stores have. What we want to do first is build a monthly report file on your desktop. Right click, go to New, Folder, name it Monthly Reports, and enter. And now we're going to go to Retail Ice Office. The first report we're going to build is the Department Sales Report. So from the main menu we're going to choose Reports, Report Star. First report name is going to be #01 Department Sales. We're going to make sure that the report type is inventory, and then we're going to put our month that we're going to report on. We're going to do January 1 to January 31. On the store tab, just make sure that the selected store is 1. On the level of detail tab, we're going to choose Department and move it over to the selected detail. Then we're going to choose Department Name and move it over to selected detail. Then click on Columns tab. We're going to add sold and dollar sold. So we're going to add sold, move it over, dollar sold, and move it over. And we're going to go to Sort By, and we're going to choose Department and move it over to Sorted By. We're going to go back to our report selection, and we're going to hit F10 to save our report. Then we're going to save the report as a file. So up here in Send Report To, we're going to go File, and we're going to go to our desktop and find our monthly report file. Double click, and here we're going to put your store name and then report name, Department Sales, and save. Now all we have to do is run the report. So F11 or Run Report. Now that automatically sends it to the monthly report file on your desktop. We're going to exit out and then go back in. Vendor, style, and description, quantity sold 2 or more. So we're going to go to Office, Report Star, that's where I'm at. We're going to name this one #01 Sales by Vendor Style. The reason why I put this number 1 is so that when you use your drop down menu, you're always going to have it right at the top. So we're going to change our dates. We're going to do January 1 to January 31. We're going to make sure that inventory is selected. We're going to go to Store, make sure 1 is there. Level of detail. So we're going to go down to Vendor Name, move it over. Style, move it over, and Department. Then we're going to go to Columns. We're going to go Sold and Dollar Sold. We're going to go Sort By, and we want Style, Product Style to sort by. Now we want to filter. Under Items Sold, under Criteria, we're going to do greater than, and we want to look for more than 2 sold in any product. And then we're going to go back to report selection and hit save. Then we're going to save the report as a file. So up here in send report to, we're going to go file, and we're going to go to our desktop and find our monthly report file. Double click. The store name and sales by vendor / style, and save. And then all we have to do is run the report. Automatically goes to our file. The next one we're going to do is report by vendor. So from the main menu, we're going to go report, report star. Remember to put the number space 01, sales by vendor. Change your dates. Inventory. We have store 1. Our level of detail is going to be vendor name. Move it over. We're going to go to columns, and we're going to go sold and dollar sold. And we're going to go to the sort tab, and we want to sort it by vendor. And we're going to go to the filter tab, and item is sold. Criteria is greater than, and search for 0. Go back to the report selection, save your report, and now we're going to go to file so we can save the report. Desktop, monthly file, our store name, sales by vendor. And now all we have to do is run the report. So now all I have is all 3 of my 01 sales reports that I want to report on. We'll go ahead and exit out of there. Report for the advertising effectiveness. Fax that report to 480-247-5968. In the meantime, you can minimize the retail ice and the monthly reports. If you don't have your POS set up for internet, you can go and get a little flash drive and just copy these reports onto a flash drive and take them to a computer that has the email, and then you could email that report to mpetruske@footsolutions.com. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 623-466-7425. Thanks so much, and happy reporting.